Good morning to friends. Today we will discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. First of all, pair is a two objects or two members, that is called pair of linear equations. Linear is a one variable. The pair of linear equations formed in example 1, 2, 3 are given below, and note down what kind of pair they are geometrically. That should be find out. Basically, there are three equations are there: x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. That the lines is called as the intersecting lines. How to find out the intersecting lines? We have to using this formula: a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. That is, what is meant by a1 and b1? a1 is quotient of x value, that should be 1, and quotient of y value should be minus 2, and a2 is a quotient of x value 2 and quotient of y value 3. We have to divide it both values, a1 by a2, that is equal to, see here, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. a1 value from equation 1 and 2, a1 equal to 1 divided by a2 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 2, b2 equal to plus 3. But it is not equal to both the values. 1 by 2 equal to minus 2 by 3, because it is not getting equal values. 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 2 by 3. So that these lines are called intersecting lines. Next we will go to example 2. 2x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. This pair of lines are formed in the coincident lines. How to find out this one? Same procedure. From equation 2 and 3, same, substitute this a1 by a2 values and b1 by b2 values. a1 should be 2, a2 should be 1. 2 by 1 equal to b1 by b2. 3 by 2. Here some confuse here. 2, 3 means 1 day a1 by a1 equal to 1, a2 equal from equation 1 and 2, a2 equal to 2, a2 equal to, that is equal to b1 is a minus 2, b2 equal to 3, c1 should be 0 divided by minus 1. No. It will not take these values, but sorry, some confuse here. A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 3, B1 equal to minus 2, B2 equal to plus 4, C1 equal to 0, C2 equal to minus 30. Now we will divide A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Substitute all values. A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 3, B1 by B2 equal to minus 2 by 4, C1 by C2 equal to 0 by minus 30. That is equal to, first one is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. These lines are to form a intersecting lines. Next, same formula, just changing the values. From equation 2 and 3, A1 from equation 2, 2 divided by 1, 3 divided by 6, minus 9 divided by minus 18. By 4, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, and 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja. All values are equal. So the coincident lines are formed in this second equation. Next, we will go to the third equation. A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 2, B1 equal to 2, B2 equal to 4, C1 equal to minus 4, C2 equal to minus 2 1. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. Okay. A1 equal to A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. From the equation 3, these lines are formed in a parallel condition. Okay, let us now write down and compare the all values of A1 by B1, comma B1 by C1 and C1 by C2. In all the three examples are given here. We can observe that if the lines are represented by the equation, we are comparing to this equation A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. First one, intersecting line. What is the using of this formula? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That is it is formation of intersecting lines. Next one, coincident lines. What is meant by coincident lines? By using the formula A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Means we are taking all x, y and quotients and constant. We are taking constant terms divide by both equations a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. From the third equation we have to divide it a1 by a2 b1 by b2 and equal to c1 by c2. We will check this all are three equations in this formula. Which one is satisfies this condition: intersecting lines, coincident lines and parallel lines. We will follow this type of pair of linear equations. That's it. Next one, in this chapter, very important methods are there. First one is substitution method and second one is elimination method. These two methods are must and should given here in previous years also. 10th class students, you must and should watch these videos. Substitution method, first one, very important problem in the exam point of view. Substitution method. We will discuss about substitution method. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation by substitution method. Substitution method. Solution. First we have to take x plus 7x minus 15y equal to 2, x plus 2y equal to 3. Solution. In any problem in mathematics, first we have to given data in your question paper. Write down first the given data. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3. And first step 1, in this substitution method we have to follow. Write down this equation. Write one variable. Write one variable in terms of the other two others. Next, let us consider equation 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Namely here, let us consider x plus the equation 2, x plus 2y equal to 3, x equal to 3 minus 2y. This is equation 3. Now we have to substitute this value in equation 1. X equal to 3y. Now we substitute the x value in equation 1. This x value substitute in equation 1. First write down equation 1. 7x minus 15y equal to 2. 7 into, what is the x value? X equal to 3 minus 2y minus 15y equal to 2. Clear? I have to multiply this both terms multiplied by 7 in LHS. 7 3 is 21 minus 7 2 is 14y minus 15y equal to 2. minus 29y is equal to 2. 21 minus 2 equal to 29y plus 2 is goes to the LHS. 21 minus 2, that equal to 19. 19 equal to 29y. Y is equal to 19 divided by 29. Now the y value substitute the y value in equation 3. X equal to 3 minus 2 into y 19 by 29. Multiply 29 into 3. Cross multiply here. 29 3 is 9 3 is 27. 9 2 is 6 plus 8. 87 minus 19 into 2. Multiply here. 38 divided by 29. That is equal to 9. 87 minus 17. In 17 subtract here 8 value. 9 should be there. 7 in 7 subtracted the value. 7 minus 3 4. 49 divided by 29. The solution is x equal to 49 divided by 29, y equal to 19 by 29. If in this problem any doubts, comment box here in my YouTube channel. Comment here if any step I am not understanding. So I will explain another one time. My dear students, in this chapter, substitution method is a very, very important question. Upcoming examination point of view. Very easy method. First we have to take step 1, write down one variable in terms of the other. Let us consider the equation 2. From equation 2, x plus 2y equal to 3. I have to write it x equal to 3 minus 2y. Put in the box x value. Now the substitute the x value in equation 1. X 7x minus 15y equal to 2, and we have to substitute x value 3 minus 2y minus 15y, that equal to 21 minus 14y minus 15y equal to 2. 21 minus 9y, 29y, 21 minus 29y equal to 2. 21 minus 2 equal to 29y, 19 equal to 29y, that equal to y equal to 19 by 29 value. Now substitute the y value in equation 3. X equal to 3 minus 2 into 19 by 29. We get the value 49 by 29. The required solution is x equal to 49 by 29, y equal to 19 by 29. Next one, elimination method. Elimination method. This method also very important in upcoming exam point of view for SSLC or 10th students. I will write down question. The ratio of incomes of 2 persons is 9:7, and the ratio of the expenditure is 4:3. If each person each of them manages to save 2,000 rupees per month. Find their monthly incomes. The ratio of incomes of 2 persons is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2,000 rupees per month, find their monthly incomes. Now we will discuss about, let us donate the income. Nine is to 7, income of 2 persons, 9:7. I have to multiply x variable and the ratio of the expenditures and the ratio of the expenditure by this, that is equal to 9x into 7x. I have to multiply both ratio multiply should be into x, 9x into 7x. 4:3 means 4:3, that equal to 4y:3y. Okay, and the equation formed, then the equation formed 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now we have to multiply equation 1 by 3. Right hand, multiply equation 1 by 3 means equation 1, 9x into 3 is 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. Both sides multiply here, multiplied by 3 value. 9 3 is 27x minus 12y equal to 6000. This is equation 3. Multiply and equation 2 multiplied by 4. Multiply equation 2 by 2. 2 into 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. (14x) minus, multiply here, 2 into 7, 14x, 7x into 2, 14x minus 3y into 2, 6y equal to 4000. Sorry, multiply by value 4, sorry, some confusion here. 4 7 is 28x minus 4 3 is 12y, 4 2 is 2000 into 4, 8000. That is equation 4. Now from equation, subtract the equation 3 and 4. Subtract the equation 3 and 4. 27x minus 12y, 6000 minus 28x minus minus of minus plus minus 8000 equal to 0. (27x minus 28x plus minus 12y plus 12y cancel, means minus x equal to, now we will go to minus x equal to minus 2000, minus cancel both sides, x equal to 2000. Now substitute the x value in equation 1. X value in equation 1, 9x minus 4y equal to 2000 x value 1000, 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to 2000. 9 2s are 18, 18,000 minus 4y equal to 2000, 18,000 minus 2000 equal to 4y, that equal to 16,000 equal to 4y, 4 4 ja means y equal to 4000 value. Get the answer, y equal to 4000. Now this x and y values substituting in the let us donate the income of 2 persons in this 9x ratio is there, 9x into 7x, multiply here, 9x into 7x equal to 9 into 2000 is to 7 into 2000, that is equal to 18,000 is to 14,000. The ratio of incomes of 2 persons is, we get the answer is 18,000 is to 14,000, and their expenditure is 4:3, means 4y into 3y, 4y is to 3y. Substitute the y value, 4 into y equal to 4,000, 3 into 4,000, 4,000 into 4, 16,000, 12,000. The expenditure is 16,000 is to 12,000. Okay. If any doubt, comment in the YouTube channel. Very easy problem. First we have to multiply equation 1 multiplied by 3 in both sides, in LHS and RHS. Next I have to multiply equation 2 by 4 in both sides. We get the values, both equations. I have to subtract here and get the values x and y. We have to substitute again the ratios of 9x into 7x and 4y is to 3y. Get the answer, very easy. Just we have to elimination here, both positive values and negative values. Get the answer. Now subscribe here, subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comment here if any doubts here in this problem and previous problems also. Thank you one and all.